In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ClickUp Chat new updates. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find chat, how to open it from the sidebar, and how to view the latest updates quickly and confidently. First, head to ClickUp. You can use the web app in your browser or the desktop app. Either works the same for what we're doing. If you're prompted to sign in or select a workspace, go ahead and do that. Once you land on your main dashboard or any list or folder view, take a second to make sure the left sidebar is visible. Interfaces can look slightly different depending on your theme or layout, but the core navigation remains the same. Next, move to the small menu on the left and look for the More icon. This is usually represented by an ellipsis or 3 dots near the bottom of the sidebar. If your sidebar is collapsed, hover over the left edge to expand it so you can see the labels. The More icon collects items that aren't pinned to your main navigation, and it's a quick way to reach features like chat when they aren't already visible. Click that More icon to open the extended menu. Now, click on Chat. As soon as you open it, you'll see all the new updates in one place. This view is designed to make catching up simple. Look for unread badges and new dividers that clearly separate messages you haven't seen yet. You can open any conversation to scan the latest posts, skim highlights, and follow threads without losing context. The search bar at the top is helpful if you're looking for a specific keyword or message. You can often sort or filter to surface recent activity, mentions, or unread items first, which is especially handy on busy days. When you're reviewing updates, keep your responses focused. Use short replies or quick reactions to acknowledge you've seen something, and switch to a threaded reply if you're following a particular topic to keep the conversation tidy. If a message includes attachments or links, preview them right from the chat so you don't break your flow. And if you need to format a message for clarity, simple styling and mentions can make your note easier for teammates to act on. That's all there is to it. Head to ClickUp, open the left menu, and click the More icon. Then select Chat to view all the new updates in an organized, streamlined view. With these steps and a few simple habits, you'll stay on top of conversations and never miss the latest information.